People will say Makhumalo, she is no longer respecting Musamseleku because she have got money, cars, houses. Musamseleku was the one who started disrespecting Makhumalo. Musamseleku takes sides because it's between Makhumalo and Mayeni. But Musamseleku can take Mayeni's side because he loves Mayeni. What about Makhumalo? Musamseleku's wives, they don't like Makhumalo. Musamseleku knows that. Musamseleku wants to humiliate Makhumalo in front of his wives to prove them that he loves them. He doesn't love Makhumalo. That's Makhumalo start disrespecting Musamseleku. That woman, if she can't stand by herself, no one can stand with her because Musamseleku doesn't defend Makhumalo, but he can defend Mayeni. If he want to fix things with his wives, he can say Mayeni came and sit down, Makhumalo came and sit down and discuss about that issue. If Makhumalo was wrong, Makhumalo says Mayeni is delusional, than to take Mayeni's side and say Makhumalo have to apologize. This is disrespecting to apologize to Mayeni's family. This was disrespecting. And Musamseleku start insulting Makhumalo in front of other wives. Why Musamseleku was discussing about that issue, Mayeni was not there. You understand? He was defending for Mayeni. If you want to fix the issue, that's the problem. It's not about Makhumalo, about Makwela, that Makhumalo doesn't want to accept Makwela. No. It's about Musamseleku. He can take sides of his wives. Yes, Makhumalo have to take his side and stop supporting him. It's very good. People, they say man can change a person. Makhumalo has been changed by money. Yes, and money is secure. Yes, security now. Because Makhumalo can buy groceries for herself. She have got her own shelter. Now she can defend herself.